Hi, my name is Victor Bart, welcome to Retro Machines, and in this video, not retro stuff but new stuff, we're gonna unbox this ASUS Proart GeForce RTX 480. It has 16 GB of memory. This front of the box, rear of the box with all kinds of info. In the box we find another box, and if we open the box, we have some stuff here, some foam here. A video card, cables, you get a warranty card, a card that explains the graphics card holder, that is this piece, and a card that explains the new power connector. And if you don't have a modern power supply, you can use this splitter with a new plug and three old 8-pin connectors. And you get this piece of cardboard, I think it's some kind of stand. And here's the quick start guide in a lot of languages. You only need to read 2 pages. Here we have the video card itself with a lot of cooling, 3 92mm fans, big cooling blocks. The rear plate is made out of metal with some nice GeForce RTX and the Proart logo. Here the PCI connector with a nice sleeving to protect it. This video is sponsored by my long-term sponsor PCBWay. If you want your circuit board design realized and printed, you should check out PCBWay. Starting prices as low as $5 for a 1 or 2 layer design. Place your order now, links in the description. We have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI, so you can connect up to 4 monitors on this card. The bracket is 2 rear slots, but the card itself is like 2.5 slots up to around 3 slots. So if you put another card next to this card, it doesn't block the fans too much, so you still get good cooling. And the PCB itself goes from here to only here, so this extra for more cooling. And this card doesn't have any RGB, it's just a plain good GeForce Proart in theme with my new motherboard. So if you like this card and want to buy it, I have Amazon affiliated links down in the description. And thanks for watching.